So like I said, I'm recording with my phone, so I had to find a tablet. So the app is Happy Lighting. So agree to all of this, allow, and you should be in the app. Now, connect it. So you just hit what you want to go to, and there you go. So green, blue. This little bar controls your brightness. So as I slide this, am I sliding? There we go. So that controls your brightness. This up here is on and off. And this is where, so if you play a music, like let's just say allow. So music, record audio. It's a lot of stuff you gotta allow on here. Now, I guess this will, whatever this is. So, but yeah, it'll move to the sound of all of that. Let's see. I guess this is, there we go. So this changes with the sound that it hears. So as you hear me talking, the colors will change. So that's pretty dope. You got style. This is where you get all your color changing options. This speeds it up, slows it down. So this is just red, kind of like a heartbeat kind of deal. So you got all of these. Then you get your back and forth. So this is red, switching to green. Got your rainbow, all of this, which is super fast. Does a little funny when it's plugged up to this, because it's like it's not getting full power like from the car, but you still get a good idea. This is all your colors. So then you got your regular red, blue, green. Timing. I hadn't even used this before, so I don't even know how this works. I guess you got to set something else up, but anyway, this is the basics if you were wondering how the app works. And up here, it's where you get linked and all, so you can set it to link to different controllers or whatever, like if you got multiple sets of lights or different stuff, different control boxes that run off the same app. So that's pretty dope. Yeah, but that's basically how the app works. So if you were wondering, there you go.